Let me actually start this one by saying that this hip exercise, which I'm about to share with you right now, is so cool because you actually can apply it to almost all of your fundamental SAMBA basic steps like whisk, stationary basic, cruzadas, body focus, voltas. Oh my gosh. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another episode of Ballroom with Alexey. My name is Alexey and I am literally cannot wait to share with you this Latin hip action exercise in SAMBA. The value of this small, simple exercise is big. So let's do it. Okay, so our starting point with the feet apart and the weight on the left foot. So we start our exercise with the bounce action. So we bend in the knee. Now second action is the hip goes to the side, back, and to the neutral position. One more time. So we go bounce, to the side, back, into the neutral position. All right? So when we bouncing forward, it is very important to do the bounce properly. By the way, if you haven't seen my bounce action video, I will leave the link in the description. The bounce action video will benefit this video a lot. All right, so we bouncing our knees forward. So knee goes forward, hip follows the knee. Then when I'm straightening my knee, my hip will go to the side and around back, right? So I have to finish in a neutral position before I shift my weight to another foot. Then I repeat the same action. Doing bounce, my knee goes forward, my ab is contracting, yes, my hip follows the knee. Then during the straightening, I'm doing kind of like spiraling action, right? So my hip is going to spiral to the side, around and up, right? So I'm moving side, around and up, back to the neutral position. One more time. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. One more time. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Let's do the same thing, but from the different side. All right, so we'll do bounce action. You see, my knee goes forward, my hip goes forward, my back is straight, my ab is contracted. Now I'm gonna straighten in my left knee and my hip will go to the side and around and back. Let's do same thing on the same knee. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. All right, from different side and forward to the side and around, forward to the side and around. So make sure that you're doing it slow, all right? So don't rush. Make sure that you go through every pixel around and coming back at the neutral position. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do double action on the same foot. That will help your whisk. So we move forward, around and back, and again forward, around and back. Bounce, around and back, bounce, around and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching my videos. I hope you guys enjoying them as much as I enjoy creating them. Please make sure that you put enough attention into practicing this exercise. Do it slow, make sure that you're not affecting your upper body, so isolate your hip, and please do enough repetition. I cannot stress that enough, how much repetition is important for developing a new skill. So with all of that said, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't so yet. Press the like button if you like that video, and of course leave me a comment below and let me know what you guys want to see more in this channel. Thank you very much, and I will see you soon on my next tutorial video. Bye bye!